Hello everybody, here we are at Max's Garage Mahal. We're here to talk about a giveaway contest. Yes, that's what I said, a giveaway contest. What that's going to involve is going to be the Biswaye 4811-1805 or 1850, and that's this Biswaye battery right here, and that's what I've been using on this Milwaukee 18-volt quarter-inch impact wrench. I use this thing to put lawnmower blades on, take them off, mount and dismount wheels, all kinds of things. It's a powerful tool, and this battery right here makes it even more powerful than the batteries we've been using that come from Milwaukee. And I'm sorry, Milwaukee, but that's just the way it is. Now, this giveaway contest is for a 50% off coupon. And I paid $39.95 for this battery, and I got free shipping from Biswaye. I also got it tax-free. Now the taxes in Arkansas are added to the sale price now. So to help us out on this giveaway, Biswaye has lowered the price from $39.99 to $29.99. That is about 33% off. So not only are you going to get 33% off, you're going to get 50% off of that with this coupon if you win it. Now here's some things about this. I'm going to have 5 50% off coupons for the single battery, and then for the double battery for dual pack, I'm going to have 1 grand prize for a dual pack. So if you consider you're going to be buying this battery for like a quarter of what I paid for it, that is a fantastic deal. I am not eligible to play. Sorry, Biswaye wasn't going to fall for that game, so I'm not going to be able to play the game. Now here's some rules. Every game has rules. Rules are: you must be a subscriber to Max's Garaj Mahal YouTube channel. You do not have to be a subscriber to the Max's Garaj Mahal Coco Scope channel, although that would really be nice. It's the same content, and if you like one place better than the other, we'd love to have you subscribe to both channels. But I really would like for you to subscribe to Max's Garaj Mahal. Now with that said, the next rule is you must comment down below this video, and the comment has to be, I want to win a coupon. Real simple. I want to win a 50% off coupon. Let's put 50% off in there. I want to win a 50% off coupon. Alright. Then, another thing that makes this very important, because a couple of people does this all the time, turn me on to a Randomizer app that you put this video up, you hit the button, and that goes through all the people that says, I want to win a 50% off coupon. And it only shows those names of the people that are visible. So if you're one of my subscribers that does not have a visible account, make your account visible for this contest. This contest will run from August 1st till the 1st of September, when we will run the Randomizer app, and then we'll find out the names that comes up. Now, if you have won anything in any of my contests in the last calendar year, 12 months, from September 1 this year, 2019, you are not eligible to win again. I'm sorry, but I was advised that we have to make sure that we don't do that. So all you need to do, once again, subscribe to Max's Garaj Mahal YouTube channel. Then you want to make sure you say down below, you can enter as many times as you want to. You can put 100 on there if you want to. I want to win a 50% off coupon. So there's going to be 5 50% coupons, 50% off coupons for a single 48-11-1850 Biswaye battery, which is a 5 amp hour, 5,000 milliamps. It is a 90 watt hour. This thing is a hoss, guys. I'm not kidding you. This thing will wear you out trying to run it down. I love that battery. Now, make sure that your account is visible, or that Randomizer app will not find you. So we want you to have an equal opportunity to win, just like anybody else that enters. So please make yourself visible. And with that said, Biswaye, we want to thank you for making this possible and make these batteries possible for 6 people to get these batteries at 50% off of the current new price. That's going to go through, I think it's going to go through like end of September, to give people plenty of time. And I'm going to talk to them, see if I can get them to extend this lower price for, say, through maybe Christmas or New Year's. And if so, hey guys, 33% off of that $39.99 is a good deal. So we appreciate you coming by, watching the video. We hope each and every one of you were able to win a 50% off coupon. I know you're not, but for those 6 that are, we're going to be sure to call your name, congratulate you. When we contact you, when we put the names down below, you're going to need to contact us at MaxsGarajMahal@gmail.com with your email, so that we can send a coupon to you, so that you can then redeem it for your 50% off purchase price. So we appreciate you very much. We hope you all enjoy this little contest. We have some more contests coming up. We just talked to a company today about a product that I'm very, very pleased with, and I think it's going to do a great job. One thing I wished I had is smell-o-vision, because it has completely changed my storage room, so that when I open the door, I no longer have to smell gasoline fumes. That's a little hint. So we appreciate you coming by. Hope you enter, and we hope you win. So thank you for stopping by Max's Garage Mahal. Please subscribe, hit that like button, hit that share button. Let people know that this out here and it's available, and all they got to do is subscribe. Y'all come back and see me now. You hear?